Tree houses are awesome. They're like having a fort in the sky. You can escape, relax, and let your imagination run wild. Plus, building one is a blast. It's a chance to get your hands dirty, learn some skills, and create something truly special. Tree houses are also a great way to connect with nature. You'll be up in the branches, surrounded by birds and fresh air. It's a great way to escape the screens and enjoy the great outdoors. Don't be afraid to get a little dirty. It builds character. First things first, you need a strong tree. Look for a hardwood tree, like oak or maple. The tree should be healthy with no signs of disease. Avoid trees with lots of low branches, they'll get in your way. Make sure the tree is big enough to support your weight and the weight of the treehouse. Remember, safety first. You don't want any accidents. Now for the fun part, designing your treehouse. Grab a pencil and paper and start sketching out your ideas. How big do you want it? What shape will it be? Will it have windows? Once you have a plan, it's time to gather your materials. You'll need lumber, plywood, screws, nails, and some basic tools. Make sure you have everything before you start building. The platform is the foundation of your treehouse, so it's got to be strong. Use sturdy lumber to create a frame that will be attached to the tree. Make sure it's level and secure. You can use metal brackets or bolts to attach the platform to the tree. Don't damage the tree. Use proper treehouse attachment methods to keep the tree healthy.